Hello friends, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to Wisdomizer. Today I am going to give you the in-depth knowledge about the Spring certification. It is the one of the most demanding and powerful framework in Java. So in this video I am going to explain you how many questions are asked in that exam, what is the minimum percentage criteria required to pass that exam, and so many important things. So without making any delay, let's start. So the Spring framework, you guys might be knowing that it is very much powerful and very much famous when it comes to Java. It involves a lot of different types of development, like if you want to develop desktop application, enterprise level applications, or distributed application, any kind of application development is possible in this Spring framework. So let us try to understand how you can get certified in this Spring framework. So without making any delay, let's start. So here we can know the exam code. It might be the exam code actually. This is the exam code EDU1202, and the exam was launched in May 2019, and the format of the exam is multiple choice questions. And if you want to know what is the meaning of proctored is nothing but the vigilance kind of area where the all the camera setup and all the dedicated classroom will be there. Like you might have appeared for your normal exams, school exams, where the teacher will keep a watch on you and while you write the paper. So in the same way these exams will be conducted. So those kind of exams are called as proctored exams. Okay. And the number of questions which are asked in these exams are 50, and the passing score for this exam is 76%, and the duration of the exam is 90 minutes. Okay. And the recommended syllabus for this exam is obviously the Spring framework knowledge you will be required to pass this exam. Okay. So let's move ahead. So if you want to know the syllabus of this exam, then the syllabus of the exam is you might be knowing the Spring container and its basics. So the Spring container knowledge you should have, aspect oriented programming knowledge you should have, the data Spring data you might be knowing, you can perform the database related stuff, operations using Spring data, and Spring model view controller MVC. This is the most famous one. You might be knowing that whenever you interact UI with server application, so on the server this Spring MVC application works, and UI will be contacting the Spring MVC, and the request and response can happen between these two things. Okay. So these are the things. So apart from that, if you want to understand how much weightage each topic is having, so that we can understand here. So here you can see container will be the questions will be asked on container for 20%, 8% it will cover AOP, JDBC they will ask 4. Like that, all the different kind of percentage and weightage wise topics are mentioned here. So you can pause this video and you can just read out these all things. It will be very much helpful for you when you prepare for the exams. Okay. And this is nothing but again the entire thing which I have already explained you. This one also, like if you want you can pause the video and you can read all these things. It will be very much helpful for you when you appear for the exam. Okay. So you can please go to the description of this video and check out the links.